Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Monkey with Camera Mod. What the? Is that cloud something? It was a pretty good hole mode. It's just not that specific. Give me out of space. Ow. Daisy. What is this place? I don't want to be here. What the? My mod. Oh, heck no! Guys, I have the stick. I need a gun. I look sick. Done. Yeah, so this is what the monster looks like. I'll show you how fast he is. Don't know where he is. Don't know where we should spawn. But...
Where's the monster?
No, dude! We got the same shot.
Okay.
Dude, where's the super scary Ooga Booga monster? I thought there was a super scary Ooga Booga monster. Guys, where's the super scary Ooga Booga monster?
Where's the horse?
Right here.
Where's the creepy guy?
Where's the monster?
Yeah, no. The shoe.
Yeah, I don't think the hole is open it now. But yeah, he is kind of slow. Oh yeah. This is my end of my video.